Cleaning air conditioning coils starts with safety and a methodical approach to restore efficiency quickly. Begin by turning off power at the breaker and confirming the unit is dead to the touch to avoid shock. Remove the top or access panels carefully, noting how screws and components fit for reassembly. Use a soft brush and a shop vacuum with a brush attachment to remove loose debris and accumulated dust from fins and the coil face without bending fins. Apply a foaming coil cleaner according to the label, working from the coil interior toward the exterior, so the foam lifts grime out rather than pushing it further into the system. Let the cleaner dwell for 10 to 15 minutes so it dissolves grease and biological buildup. After the dwell time, rinse gently from the inside of the coil outward with a garden hose set to a moderate spray to avoid fin damage and to carry loosened debris away from the coil. Reassemble the unit carefully. Restore power and run the system while checking condensate drain holes and pans for clogs and proper drainage to prevent future coil corrosion and microbiological growth. 3 common mistakes are using a pressure washer or high pressure that bends fins and forces debris deeper into the coil, skipping the dwell time that allows chemical cleaners to work so you only move dirt around, and neglecting to check or clear drain lines, which causes water backup and promotes mold that quickly recontaminates coils. Always use a gentle garden hose spray. Allow 10 to 15 minutes for the cleaner to act, and inspect and clear drain holes and pans so moisture evacuates properly. Our site bighomeprojects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides practical guidance for projects like coil cleaning so people can find help when a job is beyond DIY. We host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange tips, ask questions, and share experiences to make projects safer and more effective.